Opioids are a class of drug used in pain management. They're found in prescription medications such as Vicodin and OxyContin, as well as illicit drugs such as heroin or fentanyl. You might not realize that someone you know is taking opioids or may be at risk due to possible side effects. The reality is, an opioid emergency can happen to anyone, anywhere. Opioid emergencies do not discriminate. Most accidental opioid overdoses happen in the home and can be witnessed by a loved one, family member, or friend. Padagis Naloxone nasal spray is available over the counter to help empower anyone to save a life. This medication is designed to reverse the potentially life-threatening side effects of opioids that may cause breathing to stop during an emergency. When administered, Padagis Naloxone works quickly by displacing opioid molecules, which can restore breathing until emergency personnel arrive. Padagis Naloxone is safe to use even if opioids aren't present. Accidents happen. Make Padagis Naloxone a part of your first aid kit and always be prepared. You could save a life.